Hey, because we're sleeping on board tonight, first night, so. Well, Holly's on the boat. I think she's going for a ride, let's say. So anyways, we got to get her ready here. We're getting her on the lift. A little short-handed, so I got to go.
Some of the uglier stuff with regards to getting the boat prepared, having FRILL prepared for a lift off, making sure that she's straight, making sure that the halyards are not tensioned, and yeah, gosh, it's always a little bit stressful, or in my tiny experience, this is stressful. Oh my god. Okay. So we released the tension on one of the halyards because it was pulling on the mast. And now look at FRILL. Oh my god. So freaking scary. Oh my god. Okay. Just to think I was on there just a couple of minutes ago. Holy shit balls. Okay, excuse my language. Brian just said it's not pretty, but we got her. Holy smokes. Yes, it's true. It's really leaning. Oh, poor FRILL. One good thing is we've got water draining from wherever. One of the lines went, let go. Okay. One of the backstay actually took off, making sure it's not going to get caught up in something. Miss Penny. Hi, girl.
Hey! Hey! Okay, so we're getting things going. Oh, hang on, Holly. No. I gotta take that out. Where? I gotta figure out where I'm gonna do that.
Oh, okay.
So, anyways, getting things situated.
Yes.
It's pretty good. We only got her yesterday morning. Now we're in the water, so now all the work begins inside you, getting things organized, eh? Us.
We will. I mean, majority is my responsibility, yes.
Yeah.
But you're helping.
Yep. Well, we got power now. We got water. Yeah, we got the essentials. Yeah, and Miss Penny, she's got a ball right now. She's pretty happy, but she's wandering around, wondering what's up with this thing that she's on and we're on.
And she's super hot.
She's super warm, yeah.
Yeah, so this is nice. She can find some shade here.
So she's trying to figure it all out. Until she spends a night on board, she won't know what's going on. Hey, because we're sleeping on board tonight, first night. So Last night was a hotel. Tonight we're sleeping on board regardless. So. Good morning here. Just finished the coffee, and I see somebody's heading out for a sail, or heading out for a trip. Anyways, one of the club members here. I don't know the guy's name, but anyway, she's getting along pretty good there with the little outboard. It's probably a 22 foot, 23 foot, something right there. Oh man, it's nice and shiny. Great morning. Great morning. We got work to do though. We can't go sailing yet. We can't, well no we can't. We don't have a sail on yet. So, yeah, so Holly, we're just, we're pretty close to set up here. Penny is stressed out, of course. Enjoying her new home, I think. We're just getting breakfast going here. Just getting ready to get some eggs on the go, and we're going to install the sails. And yeah, then we're going to get our saltwater pump hooked up. Spent yesterday chipping away at the desk or the countertop here because it was too thick. Anyways, that was a horrible job, but got it done. Okay, we're gonna try to install the sail, the head sail. So our head sail is the most important sail to us because we use it like 80% of the time. Yeah, it's so easy to get out and in from the cockpit. That's why we like using it, and it propels the boat really good. So along with the engine and that. So anyway, it's just nicer. So we had some tears in it, rips in it, and I was concerned that we needed a new one, but we actually got this one rebuilt. So you know, for a fraction of a new one. So anyways, I haven't opened it up since I picked it up. So hopefully it's great. It's fine. So we're gonna install that now. It slides up on a track here, so we had this rope down for the winter, so we'll be flopping around. So now you remember how this goes. So I don't want to lose this. Any wind when you're doing this because it could send you flying overboard. I'm going to be quick here and get this folded up once I get it figured out. Attach the bottom. Good morning, Penny. How are you? You have a good night on the boat? Yeah? Getting used to it? Oh, you don't want to talk about it. Okay. Anyways, there's Miss Holly making her way out. Frill's looking pretty good this morning. Got the sail kind of on there, but needs to be straightened away a bit. Too windy now to do the other one, so we'll wait. The wind's come up, so we'll wait to put on the mainsail. Well, good morning from the marina here. Beautiful day starting out. We had a couple windy days a little while ago, which was really high winds, but we handled it fine. We're in a pretty protected area here, so that's good. It's been nice the last couple of days. So today, just got woken up by fishermen checking their pots and being a little bit quick at the boat and creating some wake. So anyways, that was at 5, which is normally when I get up anyways. So, but here's what the harbor looks like this morning. This is Sydney Harbor, and we're on the North Sydney side. And yeah, a few boats in the water. Yesterday there was a couple more boats that got in. Bit of action. There's still a lot of boats on land here yet that needs to go in, but not all of them will make it, but some will. And there's a visitor over there. That's a 53-foot boat. See if I can zoom in on that there. We were talking to him yesterday. He was here for 3 or 4 days and just taking our time, enjoying the, I don't say downtime, but a little bit of preparation time, and it's not as hectic as being on the homestead, but yeah, you just relax a bit. It's going to get busy here in a little bit, but yeah, we had some friends come over yesterday, some other boat owners, and chit-chatting and whatever, so it's all good. So we're enjoying our little bit of downtime, I'll call it. It's not really dead slow, but there's things, a little less busy than it was on the homestead.